Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this PyTest framework series. In last video, I have covered simple tests by using PyTest. Now consider real scenario where we will have multiple test files and each file will have number of tests. These tests will cover various modules and functionalities like smoke test, sanity test or functional test. So number of modules are there. Suppose we want to run only a specific set of tests, then how to do it? So PyTest provides two ways to run the subset of test suite. First one is select test to run based on the substring matching of test names, and another is select test groups to run based on the markers applied. So these are the two ways to execute particular set of tests. So we'll focus first on substring matching with test names. I will use existing code. This is a test file test underscore first test, and there are three methods are there. I will include one more method, define test underscore login, and I will print here, and I will write here login successful. So these are the four methods in test first test files. Now I will copy this and will create another file. So I will change the name as test underscore second test dot py. Now these are the two test files and I want to execute only these test login methods from both the files. So this can be achieved by using the partial name of the test methods. So for that, so I have executed this pytest-h means -h for help. So here we will get the documentation. We can see this -k expression only run the test which match the given substring expression, means it will execute only those test cases which is having this name included in the test method name. Means for example I want to execute only the login methods, then I can pass this -k and login. It will search in these files those methods which is having the login as a keyword. Another one is -m mark express. So here you can see it will run only run test matching given mark expressions, means it will execute only that marker expression test. Like this way we can execute. So now I will execute this pytest -k, and now I will pass this login, this name, and -f for verbosity. Now you can see test session starts, and here collected 8 items, 6 deselected and 2 selected, means so in these two files 8 test cases or 8 tests are there. Out of that 6 were deselected and only 2 selected that are matching with this login. So test login, and here test login pass. But here we are printing the statement login successful. It is not printed here. So for printing the console output, we can use here we can use -s. Using this -s, we will get the console output. Now you can see after passing this -s, now see this test login, these two methods from these two files, first test and second test.py, from these two files it is executed, and we are getting the output as a login successful, means console output also we are getting. So for printing console output we have to use this -s. By using -s we can print the login console output. Using this -k and expression we can execute the test containing a string in its name. So next way is grouping of tests by using markers. Markers are used to set various features or attributes to test functions, and PyTest provides many inbuilt markers such as expand, skip and parameterize. And apart from this, user can create their own marker name as well. So syntax for creating marker is pytest dot mark dot. Now you can see by using marker we can parameterize the test as well as we can mark fail, skip. So I will give here marker as a login. So I am giving the name as a login for the marker, means I am grouping the tests by using this login keyword. So now for execution we have to use pytest -m, and here we have to pass the parameter as a login -v, -v for verbose. That is -m for marker, and we have to pass the keywords which we have used for markers. Here I have used as a login, so I am passing login and -v for verbosity. Now you can see here I have given markers only to this login method, test login method in the first test file in this file. So that's why only one test case is selected and 7 test cases are deselected out of 8 tests. So these are the details: 1 pass, 7 deselected, 1 warning. Like this way we can execute the particular set of tests in the PyTest, either by using -k and by giving the test case name, partial test case name, by using this, or with the help of markers. So that's all from today's video. If you like this video, then please click on like button and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video.